everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Bank Jateng online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in ibanking.bankjateng.co.id and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official site, click on the login button in order to log in and access your internet banking service. You'll need to type in your user ID and your password in the login area. If you've not activated your account yet, click on the user activation link and follow the instructions till the end. Start off by typing in your user ID into the user ID text box at the top, and then on the next field, type in your correct password. After filling in both of the details correct, click on the login button and you'll be able to access and manage your Bank Jateng online banking accounts. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.